Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my updated spring beauty makeup routine. So I hope you enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for subscribing. And don't forget to if you haven't already. Okay, here we go. Okay you guys, so first things first, I just started using this Arcana these triad pads in Refresh. They are super great to help kind of like tone your skin and remove makeup. Even when you think you have all your makeup off, sometimes you don't. So super awesome, prime your skin to get ready for makeup. So then the first thing I do is I'm going to combine Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer in light medium with Bobbi Brown's Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, which is, they're both SPF. And the Bobbi Brown, I'm wearing Warm Sand 2.5. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on my beauty blender. I like to rotate between the black beauty blender and the pink one. The black one is just like a little bit smaller of a sponge, I think. So I like how that feels. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend all around my face. So blending is like very important to me. I like to have my skin feel very, very even. So I blended, and then I put my hair up because it was in my way. So next I come in with Born This Way. This is my Naturally Radiant Concealer from, I think this is Too Faced, and I'm using light nude. So I go ahead and dab that under my eye, and then I take the pointy side of my beauty blender and blend that in under my eyes. Okay, so then I come in with my 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer, which is called Shadow Insurance, which is a super cute name, and that's also by Too Faced. So this is just comes in one color, so I go ahead and put a little bit of that on my fingers and then rub it into the top of my eyelids. This is a hugely important step because nobody wants creases in their eyeshadow throughout the day. Then I come in with my pressed powder from Tarte called Smooth Operator in color light. In the winter I was using the pad that comes with it, but in the spring I'm kind of looking for like a little bit of a lighter, dewier look. So I'm using my big brush. It's from Sephora. I'll link it below. I love this brush. It's super super great, and it's really nice and big, which I like as well. So then I come in with my bronzer from Tarte. It's called Park Ave Princess, and I use this with that same brush and go from my like where my lip line is, kind of all the way up, but not close to my lip though, all the way up to my ear, and I just blend in that motion. You can see right there really well that exact spot where I'm blending it in, and then I'll take it up above my hairline and then down below on my neck, and then a little bit on my nose to contour my nose to make my nose look nice and slim. Okay, so then I come in with a blush. This is new from MAC. It's a collaboration I did with Patrick Starr. It hasn't launched on their website yet. It's coming soon. I just got like a sneak peek of it from MAC, but the collaboration is beautiful. All the packaging is so gorgeous. You may have seen it in my Insta stories, but the color combo is Take Me Home, and it's a duo of blush, which is super gorgeous. So I put that on the apples of my cheeks. So then I come in with my Becca highlighter, and this it's a shimmering skin perfector in opal. I absolutely love this one. I've had it for a long time. It lasts, and it's so so good. So I do my upper cheekbones and down my nose and a little bit above my lip for a nice shimmery, glowing, springy effect. So then I come in with my Naked palette. You guys know I love this one so much. It's by Urban Decay. I've bought this, like rebought this so many times. So first I use Sin all over my eyelids with a big fluffy brush from Sephora and the gold handle, which I love. And then afterward I'll come in and use Buck, which is a really beautiful brown, and it's so great for blending on the creases, corners of my eyes. I just keep my eyes super simple for every day. I always just use 2 colors. I also use a beauty blender to pull my eyelid so I don't have to use my finger and smudge my makeup. If you guys follow me on Insta stories, you've seen I posted about this a couple times. This is a brow color from L'Oreal. I got this at the drugstore. It's called Brow Stylist Boost and Set Volumizing Brow Mascara. So I really like this. I'm using color Dark Brunette, and all I do is I take it out of the thing, I wipe off the end of the brow brush, and then I brush upward on my brows to create a really nice, beautiful, even color. This is a really great drugstore buy. Then I come in with the Brow Gal by Tanya Crook's eyebrow gel. This just sets what I just did in place, and it's just a clear gel for your brows, which is super awesome. I love this one. Next up, I come in with the Marc Jacobs Slanted Eyeliner brush, and then I use Anastasia's Waterproof Cream Color Eyeliner in color Jet. I absolutely love this eyeliner. I never thought I would switch from Bobbi Brown, and I switched, and I love this one just as much as I love the Bobbi Brown that I've been using forever. So then I use L'Oreal's Voluminous Base Eyelash Primer. It's white, which I really love. It just really helps elongate my lashes and makes them look so much fuller when I add mascara. So then another drugstore favorite is my Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is also by L'Oreal. I love this one as well. I accidentally got the waterproof, so don't get the waterproof unless you really want waterproof. I personally don't love waterproof mascara, but I love this one. I'll link both so you have both to choose from. Okay, so yes, I just sprayed my face with hairspray. But I use MONAT hairspray, and it's completely chemical and toxic free. There's no alcohol, there's no butane, there's nothing bad, so I use it as my makeup setter. Then I come in with my MAC lip liner called In Control. I love this color. And then I use Sugar Rosé, which is the Fresh, which I love. And then I come in and use Dior Lip Plumper, Lip Maximizer, which I also am obsessed with. And then I use Amazing Grace Ballet Rose for perfume. And then I'm all done.